Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create burger hat and dress and press for a food inspired theme. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can wear this fur hat and then you're going to change the pattern to this one, and then we're going to wear this bucket hat and color it green. Okay, this is for the lettuce. And then we're going to wear this baseball hat and color it yellow. And then we're going to move to this area. And then we're going to wear this hat and color it red. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create burger hat for free and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.